Who was on who?
Looking at my bones.
Why was who looking at your bones?
The monster.
The monster, the skeleton that was on the chiropractor's place?
Yeah.
Cause the guy inside,
Yeah.
the doctor,
Yeah.
fixes your bones.
Oh.
You want him to fix your bones?
No.
Why?
Because
Cause why?
I don't like the skeleton.
You don't like the skeleton?
No.
He's not gonna look at your bones.
Oh, you know how I realized he have.
Do you want to go there?
Yeah. I do there.
You wanna go there?
Yeah, with the skeleton.
With the skeleton?
Yeah.
You wanna say hi to him?
Yeah.
He's not scary?
No.
No, good.
But he has long teeth.
Long teeth?
Yeah. It's not scary.
Good.